Hi, I'm James from Supagard and we're here today to talk about our new Supagard motorcycle range. So inside your kit you have two chemicals. We have our professional paint pre-cleaner and we also have our polyxylene chemical. Now what I'd like to demonstrate in this short video today is actually applying it to the motorcycle itself. As with any of these types of professional products, we always recommend gloves on first, then taking your professional paint pre-cleaner, just put a small portion right onto the sponge itself and then just apply it directly onto the paintwork in a circular motion. What this product at the moment is doing is removing any waxes or any other coating off the surface, so that when we apply the professional paint sealant, it'll go directly onto the lacquer of the bike itself. And take one of your cloths and then just wipe it back off. Turn in the cloth to make sure you have a nice dry piece. And what we'd recommend is just gradually work your way around the entire bike. So stage 2 of the process is using our polyxylene professional products. Now again, using the small yellow application sponge, put a small drop onto the sponge itself and then wipe directly onto the petrol tank itself. As well, you can put it onto the plastics and again onto the chrome. I'd recommend a nice generous coating completely across the paintwork itself. So once you've completely coated one section, leave it to cure for 2 minutes. Then using your black microfiber cloth, you would just remove it.